Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Many thanks and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Color paper should be taken. The paper should be cut like this. Now twist the paper. I put the glue. This time I attach the flower with glue. Red color paper should be cut. Now the paper should be faired like this. At this point, the paper should be cut into the shape of a flower. I have already made some more flowers. This time I attach the flower with glue. So friend, see, a beautiful flower is made. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new video, and subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.